Crab cakes recipe. Crab cakes are sweet, salty, savory, crisp, and tender. All those delicious flavors and textures in one bite is perfection. Seasoned with Old Bay and made crispy on the outside with breadcrumbs, these crab cakes are the bomb. Crab cakes are a fantastic dish that brings together the delicate sweetness of crab meat with savory seasonings. Here's a classic recipe to make delicious crab cakes. Ingredients: 1 pound lump crab meat, picked over for shells. 1/3 cup mayonnaise. 1 large egg, lightly beaten. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, plus extra for seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 cup finely chopped green onions or chives. 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, plus extra for coating. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Lemon wedges for serving. Optional: tartar sauce or aioli for dipping. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, gently combine the lump crab meat with mayonnaise, beaten egg, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, chopped green onions or chives, and breadcrumbs. Be careful not to break up the crab meat too much. You want to maintain some lumpiness for texture. Divide the crab mixture into equal portions and shape them into patties of your desired size. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. This helps the crab cakes firm up before cooking. In a shallow dish, spread out some additional breadcrumbs. Gently coat both sides of each chilled crab cake with the breadcrumbs, pressing them lightly onto the surface to adhere. Heat butter and olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the crab cakes in the skillet and cook for about 4–5 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and heated through. Be gentle when flipping the crab cakes to prevent them from falling apart. Once cooked, transfer the crab cakes to a paper towel-lined plate to absorb any excess oil. Serve the crab cakes hot, garnished with a sprinkle of Old Bay seasoning and accompanied by lemon wedges for squeezing. Optionally, serve with tartar sauce or aioli for dipping. These crab cakes are bursting with flavor and make for a delightful appetizer or main course. Enjoy their crispy exterior and tender, savory interior. Perfect for a seafood lover's delight.